X5 Pro is a smart TV box, it is an IPTV box, it is a Google TV box. It's all of those kind of functionalities together. And as you can see, it is a pretty compact packaging. It's really like very small, but it has a pretty powerful specs inside. It has a fast chip, it is even, I would say, pretty great in the memory. It even has a pretty speedy Wi-Fi chip and everything. There are two things that are just a bit not the greatest maybe than with some other like smart TV devices. For example, it runs on older Android version. It also has no security updates, so yeah, don't use your main account on it, I would say. And because its apps, especially those apps with like live TV and everything, do have some limits with regions, so you do need to use a VPN. But even if you're using a VPN, there are still some apps that were not working on this device. But also some like channels did had some issues with some like blockades still on the internet, even though you use a VPN, for example. Also, it runs not on an Android TV OS, but it runs on Android 11. So this means it isn't really like the software for a smart device. It is more the software of a tablet. How it all looks, how the apps all work. And it is fine, you can also use a mouse with it and a keyboard and everything. And then it's really a pretty cool device. It's just a bit different and a bit more needing to get learned to. Here are a few small clips of how everything works, and it's a pretty cool device overall. This X5 Pro, it's a fine-tuned device for live TV, but also pretty powerful. It's just said that the software on this device is not really updated or new. So this means that you have some limits with app support, but also its OS is more built for like tablets, touchscreens, and not really this kind of Android TV box. So it is a cool device. It has the hardware, but the software is just not the greatest on all levels. Again, it does do its like advertised job, providing you live channels or live TV in regions where it's not possible to get them because of blockades or anything. But you do need to use it with VPN and you need to learn a bit how this device works. For example, my device didn't work because it had an issue with the time and also with the Wi-Fi connection of my home. It seems that I had to use like an in-between device to get this thing working. So yeah, it is a bit of a workaround. But it works, and for the price it is alright. At least it has some performance.